Welcome back to my Sand and Track YouTube channel. Today's video is about how I take care of my engine and what do I do beyond the oil change routine to ensure that I extend the engine life. As you know from my videos, off-roading is tough. I push my car to its limits. So I'm often driving at the rev limiter. I'm pushing through really difficult situations, so I'm often putting a lot of stress on the car, as well as doing recoveries, right, left, and center. So I've got to really have a routine to make sure that I do take care of the engine. What I do is I use Ceratec by Liqui Moly. This is a friction modifier that you apply to the engine to ensure that you protect the internals. I'll talk about how it works in a bit. However, this is something that I do every 50,000 kilometers and I add into the car. Doing it is really simple. You can actually do it yourself at home. So all you have to do is just open up the oil cap and you just pour the Ceratec Liqui Moly into the engine. Now, how does this work and what is it all about? So basically, like I said, this is a lubricant or a friction modifier that you add into the engine, and it releases microscopic ceramic particles that bond with all the metal surfaces in your engine, and it lasts for 50,000 kilometers. And what it does is it reduces friction, it lowers heat, and it stops metal to metal contact inside your engine. So what it does is that's under extreme stress, it ensures that the engine is well protected and lubricated. And for a matter of fact, it's kept my engine running long, it's kept temperatures at bay, and it's something that I use in my engine at regular basis. Hope you found it useful. If you have any questions, please do subscribe and leave any comments below.